Hi there. Welcome to Real Conversations for Beginners, a series where we learn how English sounds in everyday life. In this episode, we'll explore natural conversations from parties, buses, trains, airports, student dorms, and more. You'll hear how people actually speak, short statements, follow-up questions, small talk, and useful replies. Perfect for two learners who want to understand and speak with confidence. My name is Nina and I'll be your guide. I speak slowly, clearly, and with a natural American accent. Let's listen, repeat, and learn together, one scene at a time. I just got here a few minutes ago. Do you know whose birthday it is? The music's louder than I expected. Can we talk somewhere quieter? I brought some chips and juice. Is there a table where I can leave them? This room feels really warm. Is it okay if I open the window for a bit? I saw you talking to Mark earlier. Is he the one who plays guitar? The kitchen smells amazing. Did someone cook or is it just snacks? I'm not drinking tonight. Is that punch alcoholic or just fruit juice? The living room's packed with people. Do you want to step outside for a minute? I think I've met her before. Is that Anna from the dorm? I've got class early tomorrow. What time do you think this will wrap up? Do you know anyone here? I came with Maya, but she's already talking to someone. This music is really loud. Can we move to the balcony for a bit? I love the lights in the living room. Did they decorate just for tonight? Is that your jacket on the couch? I almost sat on it, sorry. I haven't eaten all day. Is the food in the kitchen or still coming? Do you want something to drink? I'm heading to the fridge, there's soda and juice. This playlist is actually pretty good. Do you know who's DJing? I think I've seen that guy before. Was he at the dorm meeting last week? Do you want to play that card game later? They're setting it up in the other room. I'm getting tired. Should we head out soon or stay a bit longer? I just got back from class. Do you want to eat something now or later? Do you have any tea? I feel a bit cold and need something warm. This couch is super comfortable. Where did you get it? I forgot my charger again. Can I borrow yours for a bit? Do you want to watch something? I found a short comedy series, only 20 minutes per episode. I brought some cookies. Want to try one before dinner? Your kitchen looks cleaner than last time. Did you finally organize the spice rack? Do you mind if I take a quick shower? I've been out all day and feel dusty. I saw your neighbor earlier. Is he the one who plays drums? Do you want help with the dishes? I can dry while you wash. Do you mind if I sit here? I think this is seat 22A, but I'm not sure. I love traveling by train. Do you take this route often? Is there a cafe car on this train? I could really use a coffee right now. I just finished reading this book. Want to borrow it for the ride? Do you know how long until we reach Berlin? I need to text my friend before we arrive. The view from this window is amazing. Have you seen the mountains on the left? I brought some snacks for the trip. Would you like some crackers or fruit? Do you have Wi-Fi on your phone? Mine's not connecting. Maybe it's the tunnel. I think I dropped my ticket. Can you help me check under the seat? This train is smoother than I expected. Do you prefer trains or buses for long trips? Do you know if this is bus 24? I need to get to the university. I forgot to buy a ticket at the kiosk. Can I pay inside or do I need the app? This seat is really shaky. Is the suspension always like this? Do you mind if I sit next to you? The back seats are all taken. I think I missed my stop. Can I get off at the next one and walk back? The driver looks new. Do you think this is his first day? Do you know how many stops until the train station? I'm meeting someone there at 5. I saw a sign for the museum. Is it close to this route? Do you want to get off at the park? We could walk a bit before sunset. I forgot my umbrella. Is it supposed to rain later? Do you know where gate 18 is? I think I'm going the wrong way. I just passed security. They took my water bottle. I forgot the rule. This terminal looks new. Is it always this quiet in the morning? I'm flying for the first time. What do I do when boarding starts? Do you have a charger I can borrow? My phone's almost dead and I need to call my sister. I bought a sandwich and some juice. Want to share while we wait? My flight's delayed again. Is yours still on time? Do you know if there's free Wi-Fi here? I need to check my email before takeoff. I saw a sign for gate 22. Is that close to the coffee shop? Do you want to sit near the window? It's less crowded on that side. Do you mind if I take the aisle seat? I need to stretch my legs during the flight. This window view is beautiful. Can you see the clouds over the mountains? I think we're still climbing. Do you know when we reach cruising altitude? Do you want some gum? It helps with ear pressure during takeoff. The seatbelt sign is still on. Can I use the bathroom or should I wait? Do you know if they serve food on this flight? I didn't eat before boarding. I brought a neck pillow. Want to try it? It's super soft. Do you want to watch a movie? I downloaded one we can share with headphones. The flight feels smoother than I expected. Is this a newer plane? Do you have any water left? I forgot to buy a bottle at the airport. Do you have any clean forks? I want to eat this salad but the drawer's empty. I just finished my online class. Can we cook something quick before it gets late? The shower pressure is super low today. Did you notice anything strange with the water? Do you want to study in the lounge? It's quieter than our room and the Wi-Fi works better. I left my towel in the laundry room. Can you grab it if you pass by? Do you hear that music from upstairs? It's been playing since noon, kind of catchy. I made too much rice again. Want some with your veggies? Do you know who left dishes in the sink? They've been there since yesterday. I'm out of laundry coins. Do you have one I could borrow? Do you want to clean the fridge together? There's stuff in there from last month. Do you want to sit inside or outside? It's warm today, but the street is noisy. I love the smell of fresh coffee here. What are you going to order? Do you have oat milk? I can't drink regular milk. This table is a bit wobbly. Should we move to the one near the window? I forgot my wallet at home. Can you cover me this time? Do you want something sweet? They have muffins and chocolate cake. The waiter looks familiar. Is he the guy from the bookstore? Do you know if they take card? I don't have any cash on me. I've never tried matcha before. Is it strong or more like green tea? Do you want to stay a bit longer? We could order one more drink and talk. I arrived 10 minutes early. Is that okay or should I wait outside? Do you know where the HR office is? I saw a sign for reception but nothing else. This building looks very modern. Is the company new or just recently renovated? I brought a printed copy of my CV. Do you want me to hand it over now? Do you prefer formal answers or more casual conversation? I want to match the tone of the interview. I worked in retail for 2 years. Would you like me to talk about customer service experience? Do you have flexible hours here? I'm also studying part-time in the evenings. I'm not great with Excel yet. Is that a problem for this position? Do you offer training for new employees? I learn fast, but I like clear instructions. I really like the team atmosphere here. Is this a shared office or do people work remotely too? I've had this cough for 3 days. Do I need to make an appointment or can I just walk in? Do you know how long the wait is? I have class in 2 hours. My insurance card is in my bag. Should I give it to the nurse now? I feel a bit dizzy today. Is that something I should mention to the doctor? Do you have a thermometer? I think I have a slight fever. I already took 1 painkiller this morning. Can I take another one now or should I wait? The waiting room is really quiet. Is it always like this in the afternoon? Do you know if the doctor speaks slowly? My English isn't perfect yet. I got this rash yesterday. Should I show it now or wait until I'm called? Do I need to go to the pharmacy after this? Or can I get the medicine here? Do you know where the bread section is? I walked past the dairy and didn't see it. These apples look fresh today. Should we get a few for the week? I forgot my shopping list. Can you help me remember what we needed? Do you want to split a watermelon? It's too big for just one person. The line at the register is long. Is there a self-checkout here? Do you have a reusable bag? I left mine at home again. This yogurt is on sale. Should we grab a few while it lasts? Do you know if they sell almond milk here? I didn't see it near the regular milk. I think I dropped my receipt. Can you check near the cart? These prices are higher than last week. Is there a holiday coming up? Thanks for listening. If this way of learning works for you, through real situations and useful conversations, hit like and subscribe to keep learning with us. Your support helps us grow and bring you more practical English every week. See you in the next episode.